In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 6 RSI Variations Indicators in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a powerful multi-RSI setup on your charts that you can use to analyze momentum from several angles at once. First, make sure you're logged in and you have a chart open in TradingView. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it might say Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, but it will usually be at the top of the chart area. Go ahead and click that to open the Indicators window. When the Indicators window appears, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any built-in or community script. Click into that search field so it's active and then type in 6 RSI Variations. Be sure you spell it correctly so the right script shows up. After a moment, you should see an entry in the list called 6 RSI Variations. Once you see it, simply left-click on 6 RSI Variations to add it to your chart. TradingView will automatically load it as a new pane, usually appearing under your price chart. You should now see multiple RSI lines displayed together, each one representing a different variation of the relative strength index. This is helpful because you can compare short-term and longer-term momentum at a glance instead of flipping between separate indicators. Now that it's added, let's open the settings so you can customize it. Move your cursor over the 6 RSI Variations label on the left side of the indicator pane. You'll see a small gear icon appear next to the name. Click that gear icon to open the settings panel. Here, you can adjust things like the RSI lengths, colors, and style for each variation. Take a moment to set up colors that are easy for you to read, and tweak the lengths if you already have favorite RSI periods you like to trade with. You can also adjust the visibility settings so it only shows on certain time frames if that's part of your strategy. After you're happy with the configuration, click OK or close the settings panel, and your changes will be applied right away. If you like this setup and want to use it on other charts, remember you can save your chart layout in TradingView, so you don't have to repeat the whole process every time. Finally, if you haven't upgraded to TradingView Pro yet and you want more charts and indicators on screen at once, make sure to use the sign up link in my description. That way you can unlock all the features you need to run this 6 RSI Variations setup smoothly across multiple layouts and markets.